Hi, this is Dean Moss with Dean's Team Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners, and here's another Chicago Neighborhood Real Estate Minute. You know, there's something about adding plants or flowers or greenery to the inside of your home. It makes it a little brighter, more vibrant, and certainly more inviting. An indoor garden can also provide immediate access to many of your favorite herbs to add to your home-created meals, make them taste delicious. Well, to make sure your indoor garden flourishes, consider the following tips and suggestions. First, make sure to place your plants in the right location. Some plants enjoy full sun all day long, while others are best placed away from a sunny window. Try different spots until you identify those spots where your plants look their best and thrive. Keep your plants away from drafts. Sometimes even the slightest draft can kill a plant or compromise its health. When placing plants near an open window or an air conditioner vent, please make sure the drafts aren't there. Don't overwater. Those new to home gardening often water their plants a little too frequently. While watering is critical, plants should only be watered when their soil is dry, generally speaking. When watering, use only cool water with a temperature of roughly 68 degrees. That seems to work best for most houseplants. Mist your leaves. Well, don't overdo this, however, but most plants benefit from a little moisture on their leaves occasionally. Add fertilizer. For indoor plants, liquid fertilizer, or maybe a little solid fertilizer, or maybe natural composting, which includes eggshells, coffee grounds, or fruit peels, work the best. Are you growing herbs? Make sure you trim them back every once in a while. This promotes their growth and enhances their flavor when you add herbs to your favorite recipes. Wipe off the leaves regularly. Like anything in your home, plants attract dust. Too much dust negatively impacts the amount of true sunlight your plant receives, and it can shorten your plant's life. Have more questions? Our resident home horticulturist, Kathy Weaver-Zeck, can answer them for you. Call us today, 773-290-8393, or private message us. And also, don't forget, visit our website, deanteamchicago.com.